How to turn on the on-screen home button on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, make sure you go all the way back to the main settings page. Then in here, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down and then tap on Touch. At the top here, tap on Assistive Touch. Then tap on Assistive Touch toggle button and turn it on. Once you turn it on, you should be able to have the round button appear on the screen here. Just tap on the round Assistive Touch button. That will open up the Assistive Touch menu. From here, there is a home button. You can tap on that to return back to the home screen. Now, if you do not need to use any other functions within this menu, if your sole purpose is to only use the home button, you can assign a top level tap, single tap to that button here. So instead of open up the menu, it will go back to the home screen. So let's change the function of the button. So we go back into settings, then tap on, then we go down to custom actions in here, and then tap on single tap. This time, instead of open up the menu, we want to go back home. So we select home. Now you can see if I just tap on the button, that will take me back to the home screen. So it is a lot easier. You don't have to tap on it twice. Only a single tap will take you back directly to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.